Hi, this is David Rothfeder. We're going to prove today that in a kite that some of the triangles will add up to be the same area as the rectangle in the middle that was created by the midpoints. Why did I say it's a rectangle? Well, because as you can see on my screen, that the four angles of that quadrilateral are all 90 degrees, and that is enough to prove that it's a rectangle. Well, in any case, you can see that I've already made my kite, and when I move it around, it does keep that these two sides are the same length, and these two sides will always be the same length. Um, I used a couple of tricks there. But now to prove some facts about these triangles. Well, what you can see is I drew a line segment going from A to D, and then marked the intersections of that line segment with the quadrilateral. What I am going to say is that the length of AK is going to be the same as the length of AK plus the length of MD is going to add to be the same length as KM, which should be enough to prove that the bottom triangle, the GDH, is plus the top triangle, AFE, are going to add to be the same area as the quadrilaterals. How am I going to do that? Is because we're going to compare bases and heights. So the base of AEF is actually the same as GHD, and the way I can say that is because of the rules of rectangles. Now, how about the lengths AK? Then all I need to do is prove the heights. Well, the length AK plus the length MD, I'm going to say is going to add up to be KM. And the reason why I'm going to say that is because of the properties of midpoints. So, the F was defined as the midpoint between A and B, which means that the horizontal distance of that is going to be half of AF is going to be half that of AB. That is going to mean something in particular. I'm running a little short on time though, so I think I'm going to just have to shortcut this and measure those lengths. So let's do the distance of A and K. And there we can see it is 0.64. And let's do the same for M and D. And there we go. So we have AK, which is 0.64, MD, which is 1.98. Those add together to be about 1 point, I believe, 62. So if the measurement of KM is about 1.62, that is going to prove what I needed to. I'm sorry, 2.62. I made a little mistake on my arithmetic, but there we go.